Hey guys, today I want to share with you how to secure your WordPress admin login by hiding the default URL with WPS hide login. You might already know that WordPress uses a standard login URL like your website address /wp-admin or your website address.com/login. But here is the thing, hackers know this too. They often target these URLs with brute force attacks, trying to guess your login credential. Sure, having a strong password and two-factor authentication is essential also, but did you know that by simply hiding your admin login URL can add an extra layer of security? It makes it much harder for unauthorized users to even find your login page. In this video, we will use the WP Hide login plugin to hide our default admin login URL. And the best part of it is that you don't really need to be a tech wizard to do this. So here is how you can secure your website in just a few easy steps.
Our default WordPress login URL, we are going to log in to our WordPress dashboard. Then we go to plugin and install a new plugin. We are going to search for WPS hide login. Then we install it. After installing it, we activate it. Then go to setting. Under the settings now, you notice that we have a menu WPS hide login, so we click on it. From here we can change our default URL for the admin dashboard. In this case, I'm going to change it to keep off. Then if someone actually, after we have changed this, if someone actually go to that URL now, it will be redirecting them to a 404 page. So I have typed in my new admin URL that I want to use, then I will click on the save. In order for us to actually demonstrate if this actually works, we are going to log out from our dashboard. Let's try accessing the default WordPress admin URL, which is /admin. So we are having a 404 page. In order for us to actually log in now, we need to use our new admin URL that we have set, which is keep off. So we do /keep off. Now we have our login page again, so let's just log in. Alright guys, so that is it. We have just added an extra layer of security to our WordPress website, all thanks to WPS hide. Remember, this is just one part of keeping your site secured. Don't forget to use a strong password, enable two-factor authentications, and keep regular backups.
If you are looking to learn more about WordPress, check out my WordPress Masterclass course and enroll for the class. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. See you in the next video.